What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. This is a quick review of the Jumper T8SG multi-protocol transmitter, and this is it right here. And I must say that this is a really awesome transmitter here. A multi-protocol transmitter allows you to control multiple protocols with just one transmitter. Now, this is based off deviation. A lot of you guys probably don't even know what deviation is, so I'll give you a brief explanation. Deviation is a firmware that was developed for Devo transmitters, which allows you to fly multiple protocols with just one transmitter. Now, Devos like this Devo 12E here were the targets at first. And so years back, I was advocating deviation firmware on Devo 7E transmitters, which are about the same size as this, just about. And I really wish that something like this would have come out about 2 years back when I was advocating deviation firmware being installed on Devo 7Es, because this makes things a whole lot easier. This transmitter here has a 4-in-1 module in it, which are all the modules needed to control all the different protocols: toy protocols, DSMX, FlySky, FRSky, Futaba, a bunch of other protocols are all supported by this one transmitter. So this transmitter actually has a bunch of models that you can store in it. I think you can store up to 30 models. So the 4-in-1 RF chip that this has in it has the CC2500, the NRF24L01, the A7105, and the CYRF6936. I know a bunch of that stuff don't mean anything to you guys. You don't know what the heck I'm talking about. But these are the different modules that you need to be able to fly different protocols. Like the A7105 is the module that you need to be able to fly Hubsan protocol. The NRF24L01 is the module that you need to be able to fly the WL Toys V202 protocol, I think it is. This thing has it all, and it feels really nice. Not a bad feeling transmitter. The gimbals are really nice. Definitely leaps and bounds better than the toy grade transmitters. And so this thing is only about 80 bucks, I think. A really awesome deal. You get this. It takes a 2S battery. As you can see there, you can plug it up through the balancing port. And here we have the USB socket there, so you can plug this thing to the computer, upgrade the deviation firmware. And we have a spot for your trainer there. And so it has 4 3-position switches. All of these are 3-position switches. It has 2 pots here for auxiliary 4 and auxiliary 5, it says. And so it's a really nice transmitter. I have been binding it to different protocols and checking it out. It does indeed work. So it's just like having a Devo 7E with 4-in-1 module already built in. Done. No work needed to be done. It comes already set up. No work need to be done. All you have to do is know how to set up your switches and all of that stuff, but all of the hard work is done already. This antenna here is removable, and it's the antenna with the pin inside the antenna. I don't know what that's called. I get mixed up between the two. Nice that it is removable, so you can put whatever antenna on there that you need. It comes with this, as I explained, it comes with this really nice carrying case or storage case. It has the jumper insignia on it. So really awesome transmitter here. Really awesome deal. Definitely a thumbs up from me. The Jumper T8SG. Thanks for watching.